What's going on YouTube? So today I'm going to be tidying up my kids' rooms. They're not complete disasters, but they are definitely not together. So we're just going to be tightening up. A little background on this room. So when we first moved here, it was a 2-bedroom townhouse. We only had my daughter, so it was fine. Her room was big for at the time, 2-year-old room, but you know, it was hers. When I got pregnant with my son, we tried to figure out what we could do to make this work. So here we are. We built a wall, and I'll put in a little bit of footage from that reno, I guess, of what we did to create 2 separate spaces from 1 space. I know there are plenty of kids that share rooms, but it just didn't work for our lifestyle, and I'm really happy with them having their own separate spaces. He's 1 year old now, 14 months, so he doesn't need, you know, his own room, but in a few years, if we're still living here, you know, he will. And she's 5, so to share a room with her little brother, after going from such a huge room, you know, I just felt like she deserves her own little space to call her own. I'm going to be getting these rooms together, so I'm taking you guys with me.
in a lifetime.